What up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, our channel, the channel. If you don't know, my name is Thobi, and this is a travel and lifestyle channel. I do everything travel and obviously everything lifestyle because lifestyle is integrated with travel. I just wanted to say hi. I'm starting a new vlog, a few days in my life, I guess. Trying to get ready to get back into vlogging, which is absolutely hard for me. I'm hardly real here, and yeah, I think I can start this channel off or this video off just by being a little bit real about just content creation. And let me not lie, not content creation but vlogging. It's really like, if it's not travel and I'm not with someone else, it's quite hard for me to do it. I'm still getting used to vlogging, and I'm still getting used to really like putting myself out there, taking my camera out, sharing and all of that. I also sometimes feel like my content is not performing well, and so that gives me like anxiety to keep creating. I know that it's all about just keep creating, keep doing, keep pushing, but it's really hard, you know, because we're human and we all have our insecurities, we all have our but like, why are we doing this type vibe. So I think I just need to get out of my head and just vlog more and not be afraid, no matter who watches, who comments and engages, I guess. In terms of my content, I definitely know that I put out quality content, and I know that my editing is absolutely bomb. But it's tough when it doesn't land, you know what I mean? And so vlogging is tough and staying on YouTube is tough, but I really want to do it. I have a passion for it. I love editing, I love shooting, and I love like taking you guys with me on my amazing adventures and stuff that I get up to. So I'm kind of back, and I think I just need to pace myself and not be afraid. Even if it's a short vlog, that's where we're gonna start. We'll see how long this vlog lasts. Please be patient with me. But I do hope you enjoy it, guys. And if you do enjoy it, please do put a thumbs up, and please do share this, and please do subscribe, you know. All of that is totally free, but it also helps other people see my content, and other people gets new people on my page, you know, and on my channel. So please do that. I am off to an event today, and after that event I'm off to Solway for a little shoot. So let's start this vlog. It's such a long intro. I'm so sorry, guys, but I just had to have a little bit of a heart-to-heart, which is not gonna probably end now. I just think this video is just gonna be me like trying my best to be fully honest and true and share a bit about, you know, the journey and how it really is, you know. But yeah, other than that, guys, happy November. Let's get ready to get this vlog on the road. See you guys at the Sally Williams event.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
where all the spinning, metallic and wrapping happens.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
What up guys, I'm back. Just fetched Setulo from school and went past Clicks, and I'm going to relax my hair because I'm bored with my hair. Hi. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the house maybe when I'm relaxing my hair because I'm so bored with my hair, guys. I'm just like, let me do something today. Lola, take your stuff out, please. Okay. I'm what's it too loud? Right guys, bought myself a relaxer from Dark and Lovely because that's all I saw. I don't know how it even works anymore, but we're gonna see how this goes. So yeah. So is it a boat or a yacht? It's a yacht.
Really?
Yes. I was on it.
Okay.
Have you not seen the video I showed you? It's a yacht.
Is this fine? Please join me in celebrating 2030 if you can. Felt like doing something a little different in the outdoors, so we're having a yacht.
The sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, so it seems like it's in, and I have thinged it in my hair. Ah, the stress, guys. Alright, so I'm just trying to see what's next because I'm leaving this on for 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
In my room, anyway guys, it's hailing on a random day. This is my hair. Look at there. Look up there in the sky there. Go there and look at it there. It's so weird. But yeah guys, I'll show you guys my last, how it looks at the end.
Oh.
And then I'll probably see you guys later or tomorrow because I'm just vlogging maybe like 3 days. I don't know. Coolio. See you guys when I'm done with my hair. Ta-da! Hair done. How cute. Ta-da! I literally thinked it on the side, but it looks good, guys. What do you guys think? That's my hair. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm probably gonna do like a whole style. So this is literally just bambisa until I decide what I want to do with my hair, my relaxed hair. Probably gonna sleek it down, and yeah, that's just it. I was really bored, so I'm thinking to like a cute little pixie sleek it down vibe. I don't know. I'm gonna quickly do an Insta story. And yeah, this is about it. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Lots of love. Mwah. Hey guys, welcome back. It's a new day. I'm at the dentist for a quick appointment at Sunset Dentistry. So yeah, when I'm done, I'll show you guys what I did. It's a bit dark here, so see guys, I'm done. Say hi, Suzanne.
Hey!
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Busy at work.
Good to see you.
Yeah guys, so I'm done. teeth, change the color.
Which color did you go for?
Purple.
Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah.
It really
Hopefully it will not be so anymore. Hey guys, back home. There's load shedding. So I'm probably gonna just take a nap and then yeah, maybe do something or not. If I don't see you guys today, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow because I'm spending the weekend doing some stuff for my sister's birthday. But yeah, I'm good. My teeth don't feel so sensitive anymore, hallelujah. But yeah, ek is moeg. Sien jou later. Good morning guys, it's Saturday. Hope you guys are well. I'm off to drop Sethulo at dancing. Hey.
Look at my outfit.
So yeah, that's what we're doing. Off to drop her off at dancing, and then we have a lot of errands for today. So take you along.
Go on the boat.
Going on the boat tomorrow. Hope you guys are good. Say hi. Say hi.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Say hi.
Hi.
What else is left on our list?
Garlic bread
Yes.
and some fruits. And then I think we're good. Marinade. Some stuff to marinate.
And just get the salad.
What up guys, I know it's been a while. It's been kind of like a manic day, but we're back home. We've carried most of the stuff up for tomorrow. But yeah, this is like this drinks MCC, which I'll put in the fridge later. And this is for like the snacks, some chorizo. Let me actually show you guys. Some chorizo for like the platter I'm gonna make in the morning. Some crackers, some nachos. I've marinated the meat already. It's in here. It's gonna sit in the fridge overnight. And then we've got some watermelon, MCCs. Senzi is
Adding this.
adding another one. So I need to put those tomorrow. These are PR gifts, which are just chilling. Yeah. Whatever. And then yeah, so that's all we're doing, clearing up. Senzi is about to spice the snook. I mean, marinade. I guess marinade. She's making a what? Apricot glaze for the snook. So yeah, she's doing that. And
Why isn't it working?
I'm gonna go and watch some series and chill before dinner. Might take a shower because we're gonna go to dinner with my parents.
Right.
And then yeah, that's about it guys. So maybe see you guys at dinner. Okay. We're done dinner, but there's load shedding, so we're just chilling here until we decide to leave. Tomorrow we're gonna be on a yacht. We're gonna be on a yacht in Errands. Yeah. We're gonna be on a yacht tomorrow. Stop shaking our ass. Come on.
For dishonoring, disgracing, disrespecting, or disobeying you in any way, shape, or form, Lord.